Summer Lee commented and said, I wish I had someone to teach me about the plants in my yard. I commented back and said, hey, send me some photos. Let's talk about them. So she did. We're here to talk about them. Let's go. My name is Jake, former wildlife biologist turned realtor here in the Phoenix metro area. All right, first up, we do have the black nightshade, otherwise known as Solanum americanum. This is poisonous. All right, it is poisonous. You'll notice white star-shaped flowers. It does look like a pepper plant. So when I first saw this, the small photo, I was like, that looks like a pepper plant. After further investigation, it is not. It is a black nightshade. The nightshade family, as you guys probably know, includes peppers and tomatoes, most of which are poisonous. Up next, we do have the feathery cassia. You'll find these in nurseries around town, also known as Senna artemisides. And yes, I do have notes, so don't hate me for that. This is a native plant from Australia, but it makes a great desert landscaping plant because of its hardiness, because of its silver, and also leaf shape. Also, its winter yellow blooms makes it really stand out. Up next, we do have the seep willow, otherwise known as Baccharis salicifolia. You'll notice its upright woody stems, its smooth leaf edges, otherwise known as mule fat. Up next, Summer did send me two photos of a same plant. It is the Canada wild lettuce, otherwise known as Lactuca canadensis. So this is a very tall growing plant. I think it can grow up to 8 feet tall. Young leaves are edible raw. Older leaves are edible cooked. These do have dandelion-like flowers. Personally, I absolutely despise this plant. It is not native to the area. Next, we do have the burning bush, otherwise known as Bassia scoparia. It does have medicinal properties. It can be toxic to livestock due to nitrate accumulation, so be careful. Last but not least, this was a tricky one for me. I think that this is a Butylon, but do not quote me on that. I would have to see this either better photos or in person. A Butylon is part of the Malvaceae family, which we've covered prior. Also closer up in the photo is another Malvaceae species, so it makes sense for two Malvaceaes to be living near to each other. They obviously like these conditions. A Butylon does have these just like luxurious soft leaves. So Summer, let me know if this bush has soft leaves. It'll also bloom orange, one of my favorite plants actually, but can be hard to find. But guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for being here with us. This is my first ever plant review. So if you want your plants reviewed in your yard, be sure to send them in. But Summer, thanks again for sending in your photos. This was awesome. Let's keep doing it.